Oh, Lucy's gonna be so excited. I can't wait to see the look in her eyes. She doesn't even know I'm here. Lucy! Lucy! Where you at, baby? I'm home. Hey, Lucy! Where you at?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? This is my house.
No, it's not. Where's my wife, Lucy?
I don't know who Lucy is, but all I can tell you is my husband and I bought this house 2 months ago.
Lady, I've owned this house for 5 years. Count 'em. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you say you bought this house 2 months ago, right?
Yeah.
With your husband. Okay, well, why don't you come here and look at my ID, and it says right here, my name with this address on it. What's it say right there?
You're right, that is this address. I think we might have a problem.
So what should I do? Call the police? This is my house, and we need to find my wife. Because
No.
I need to find my wife, and this is my house.
I think we should call Kathy Jacobus at First American Title. She's who insured on my property.
Let's do it then.
Come on in.
All right. What happened to my family picture? What's going on? This is ridiculous.
I don't know, but I think we should call Kathy Jacobus at First American and get this straightened out.
All right then.
Please have a seat.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
I'm going to call Kathy now.
Let's do it. Where did this person come from? How did you do that?
I come from First American Title. Kathy Jacobus. Tammy, nice to see you again.
Nice to
Haven't
see you,
seen since
Kathy.
You closed your house.
Thank
And you must be
I'm Ian
Ian.
Barron, the owner of this house.
Huh. Oh, I think we have a problem here.
We do. I bought this house 5 years ago with my beautiful wife, Lucy.
Well, I understand that, and I just happen to have your grant deed on hand.
Well, okay then. This should
Now,
take care of
according
it.
to this grant deed, Ian, that's you.
That's right.
And your wife, Lucy.
Right.
Barone.
Right?
Sold the house to Tammy, that's Tammy, and your husband, George, 2 months ago. Now, is this your signature?
No, that's not my signature. And 2 months ago, I was out defending your country.
Well, this is obviously a forgery if that's not your signature.
Well, it must be. I'm a little confused.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but living in San Diego, it's a big military town, and
Right.
I've seen this happen before, that the husband leaves to go out to sea, the wife gets a boyfriend that poses as the husband, and then the husband comes home from sea, the house has been sold and gone. So it has happened in the past, and it's definitely a forgery, so we need to go over that. Well, I have good news for you, and I have bad news for you.
Okay.
The good news is that Tammy worked with an agent that understands the importance of issuing a homeowner's policy versus a standard owner's policy.
Okay.
First American Title issues a homeowner's policy automatically on anything from 1 to 4 units. Most of the title companies out there now are starting to reduce their coverage and issue the standard owner's policy as an automatic. So I praise you for using an agent that knows the difference between the homeowner's policy, our Eagle policy, and a standard policy. Most title companies nowadays are starting to issue the owner's policy automatically because there's too many claims that may come up from it. The homeowner's policy that First American issues automatically on 1 to 4 units covers anything past, which would be you owning the home before, to current, to future, which may be issues that may pop up in the future.
Right.
So I'm happy to say that you've both got coverage for this issue. And I think our next step is to get to the claims department.
Okay.
As an agent, it's extremely important that you know the difference between the homeowner's Eagle policy and the standard owner's policy. The homeowner's policy, which is automatically issued by First American Title on 1 to 4 units, affords you post-policy protection, which is not covered under your standard policy. Item number 15, as we have highlighted here, shows what the coverage was today in our scenario.
Well, Kathy, thank you for figuring all this out for us. I really appreciate it. But you know, I was just thinking, you said that there was good news and bad news. What's the bad news?
Well, thank you, Ian and Tammy, for inviting me into your home to solve this for you. And I want you to make sure that you contact your real estate agent and congratulate them on knowing the difference between a homeowner Eagles policy and a standard policy. It saved the deal. Now, as far as the bad news goes,
Right.
Ian, we have to go find Lucy.
You're right, let's go.
Hi, Tammy. Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Oh, Lucy! Why are you in my house?
Why are you in my house?
I'm not in your house. You're in mine, and my door, my key doesn't lock.
Show me some ID. We bought this house too.
I've owned this house for 5 years. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's Lucy at? What have you done with my wife?
I'm surprised you can count to 5. That's why I'm laughing.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, where is my wife, and what have you done with her? God.
You can't do that. I'm just amazed you can count to 5.
Watch yourself. All right, come on. Again.
Yes.
Why does my ID say my address on it? Why don't you come here to the window, and I'm going to show you my ID with my name on it.
Why does my ID say my? Okay.
Now, come here. What's it say right there?
Upside down.
ENS Barron. Oh.
Upside down.
All right. Do it again. Sorry. My fault.
Okay, ready? Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta give it the action.
Ooh.
Ready? Ready? Action.
He hasn't cracked up yet,
This
so I
one.
wanted to crack
This one.
him.